everyone, I'm Shefali Sharma, a final year law student. Today I would be discussing about a landmark judgment on LGBT, that is the case of Navtesh Singh Johar versus Union of India 2018. The case was decided on 6 September 2018 by a 5-judge constitutional bench of the Apex Court. The Supreme Court under this case decriminalized the part of 158-year-old law that under section 377 of IPC. Mind it, the court has decriminalized only the part of section 377 and not the whole provision under section 377 of IPC. Section 377 talks about the unnatural offences. In simple language, it says that any sexual relationship which is against the order of nature with a man, woman or animal is punishable under the Indian Penal Code of 1860. The punishment provided is life imprisonment and imprisonment which may extend to 10 years with or without fine. Now, according to the judgment under Navtesh Singh Johar versus Union of India, a consensual sexual relationship between two adults, homosexual, heterosexual, lesbian or other minority sexual community is no more an offence. But the other part of section 377, that is unnatural offences with animal or children, still remains an offence. If there is an unnatural offence with an animal, it will still amount to unnatural offence under section 377 of IPC. The judgment further states that the LGBTQ community needs rainbow of hope for the sake of humanity. It says that the sexual orientation is natural and out of control. Any discrimination on the basis of sexual orientation will amount to the violation of fundamental rights. The judgment also says that as any other individual, even the LGBT community has the right to live a life, rather to live a dignified life, to have right to equality, to have the right of liberty to make their own choices and decisions. They will have the right to enjoy all the fundamental rights which the other citizens of India does. The judges under this court have said that they have just ruled upon the constitutional validity of section 377 of IPC, but have not looked on the other rights related to the same-sex marriage, the inheritance right or other civil rights. Menaka Guruswamy and Arundhati Kajju are two senior advocate women who fought for the rights of LGBT. They are the excellent example of women and LGBT empowerment. Now they are backing on to make a legal framework where they can provide the constitutional validity for the same-sex marriages as well. So that was all from my part today. Hope it was of some use. Stay safe, stay connected. Thank you.